today we have a special guest who will be teaching us some lessons. And his name is obviously Bruce Lee. So 4 lessons from Bruce Lee on realizing your best self. Now, I discovered Bruce Lee when I was pretty young, and I went to watch this movie called Snake in the Monkey's Shadow at Chanakya Cinema. And I came out full of energy and wanting to learn martial arts. However, as much as Lee influenced my love of the martial arts, it's his wisdom in a general sense that I most remember. In particular, wisdom that is invaluable for helping you walk the path towards realizing your full potential as a human being. But Bruce Lee said the key to immortality is first living a life worth remembering. He was much a philosopher as he was a martial artist, so much so that he has several books of his personal notes published. Much of those notes having to do more with life in general than anything specific to the martial arts. Even his most well-known book, one of the only ones to be published while he was still alive, has an entire intro section devoted to Zen-centered principles. Bruce Lee has had a lasting impact on a lot of lives for many reasons. And I hope these lessons from the man himself can help you in your own pursuits towards realizing your full potential. Well, here are 4 lessons from Bruce Lee on realizing your best self. He said, absorb what is useful, discard what is useless, and add what is specifically your own. The lesson we can learn from this is to always be yourself, express yourself, and have faith in yourself. Do not go out to look for a successful personality and duplicate it. One of his greatest lessons was his insistence on always being your authentic self. It is very important to fully understand the significance of what he said, but it can help guide your actions. The truth is you can only help others to the degree that you realize your authentic self. Authenticity is powerful. It makes us at home with ourselves, confident, strong, resilient, and certain at times when we might otherwise doubt ourselves. Learn the power of simply being certain with yourself. Having faith in yourself and seeking to express yourself fully instead of looking to others to imitate is one of the most powerful lessons a person can ever learn. If you spend too much time thinking about a thing, you'll never get it done. Now, the lesson from this is a goal is not always meant to be reached. It often simply serves as something to aim at. Bruce accomplished a lot in his lifetime. He was the first big Chinese TV and film star in the US and broke all kinds of barriers. Aside from being so fast, they had to slow down tapes to see him move. But Bruce was also very smart. He understood the nature of the goal, of success, and what it really means to achieve something. He knew that sometimes a goal is what helps us move to action less than it is an endpoint. If you've ever heard the tired old adage, shoot for the moon and you'll land in the stars, that's the idea here. By shooting for something outside yourself, you push yourself to become something more. Even if you don't hit it, you've made progress, and that progress will eventually add up to something very incredible. He said the more we value things, the less we value ourselves. The lesson here is it's not the daily increase, but the daily decrease. Hack away at the unessential. Bruce was a monster at maximizing his efficiency. From his physical training regimen to his martial arts training program, he pushed himself harder than anyone, and the results showed. He knew that reaching your goal and becoming your best self was less about adding things and more about refining yourself, like a giant slab of granite that must be chipped away day by day to reveal a masterpiece. That masterpiece doesn't just appear. It takes tireless effort and an intense focus. But by focusing on making a little bit of effort every day, a few chips here and there, you'll finally get there. He said defeat is a state of mind. No one is ever defeated until defeat has been accepted as reality. The lesson here is that all fixed set patterns are incapable of adaptability or pliability. The truth is outside of all fixed patterns. This point rings the closest to the one of Bruce's most well-known martial arts philosophies as anything on this list. That is the understanding that we must be able and willing to adapt to any situation, and that by fixing ourselves to a set pattern, we will eventually be for it. Your job, your business, your economy, your company, Your love, relationships, culture, and martial arts are ever growing, ever changing things. Nothing in life is static. So, to remain relevant or alive, you must be able and willing to change form. Only if you're able to do that will you have a chance at realizing your best self. In fact, it's in realizing that you are not any particular form, not attaching yourself to any particular job, business, lifestyle, or else, are you able to realize your central mission in life, which must rest firmly above all forms and particular paths. Life often shows us the way to our goals in a way we never imagined. And while allowing ourselves to be pliable, we are able to change course and stay on track no matter what we're trying to do. Here's a little video clip from Bruce. So if you would like to raise your volumes to hear this.
Listen to this, okay? I said, empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water. Now you put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. You put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put it in a teapot, it becomes the teapot. Now water can flow or it can crash. Be water, my friend.
That's a big lesson in very simple words from Bruce. We need to be like water. So be water, my friends. Thank you.